We asked almost 100,000 of our customers what features they would most like us to add to the Swytch Air e-bike kit.
Then we took the most popular features requested and we made this.
Hey, my name is Ari.
I'm Victoria.
My name is Steve.
My name is Kendra.
I'm Matt.
Hi, I'm Erica.
My name is Pauline.
My name's Ben.
I wish I could go a little further with my electric assist.
I wish the Swytch Kit had a bigger battery.
So we redesigned the power pack to house 30 battery cells,
providing up to 6 times more range with only a small increase in size and weight.
I wish I'd be able to charge my phone.
I'd like to be able to charge my electronic devices.
We added a waterproof USB-C port into the battery casing.
So now you can charge your phone from the battery.
And I wish the Swytch Kit had a front light.
The feature I would like you to add is a front light.
So we transformed the front of the power pack with a light-up Swytch logo.
With a ring light for omnidirectional visibility.
I wish the Swytch Kit was compatible with through axles.
The feature I'd like to improve is the pedal sensor.
So we developed a rear motor with the option for through-axle compatibility and an integrated sensor inside the motor, so you no longer need to fit a separate pedal sensor.
So, if you have a bike
And you want an electric bike?
Swytch.